Roblox brain rot meltdowns.
Bruh.
None of it's true. It's BS.
What?
His private server.
Bruh.
Whatever that is.
Stop recording!
What? Bruh.
I hate them so much.
None of it's true.
Oh my god.
Stop it.
No, no, no!
Huh?
He scammed me.
He scam you.
Yes.
Bro, what are you talking about?
So you're for your what? You're trying to la?